nag-uusap naman po kami ng ICU doctor in charge na may bumababa sa vitals ng anak ko. At need siyang ma-intubate at then the 7 or 8 sachet nag-murmur ang anak ko. Unclear, pero sure ako na nagsalita siya. Parang ganun lang po. From then on, kinontakan ako ang mga angel mentor ko para makabili at maparating agad ang tuloy-tuloy na supply ng ating barley.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Alessia Teres Al Enreva.
Siya po yung barley survivor natin. Kasama si mami niya.
Talaga may malala no. Hi, I'm Gloria Santos. The first time I came here last January 31, I felt half of my body got numb. So I was here just to really try how it feels, feels good again. If barley would be good. So I was able to meet Mentor Mitch Santos. Then I told her, I want to try your product. Tapos, ayun, by taking one sachet alone, in less than 5 minutes, half of the numbness gone. So, na-amaze ako. And then, sabi ko, is there a business side to this? How come there are so many people in the office? Sabi, yes ma'am, meron. Ganyan, explain siya. Tapos, in-interrupt ko na naman siya. Sabi ko, I don't feel well. There's still discomfort. Can you give me one more sachet? Tapos alam mo, after the second sachet, as in, totally gone. Wow. Yung numbness, totally gone. So, sabi Mentor Mitch, explain yung packages. Tapos sabi niya, this is how good Jade is. Tapos yun.
I'm Jojo Castañeda, isang retired employee and senior citizen. Before, meron akong mataas ang blood sugar ko, nag-236, minsan may 360. Pero sa barley, pag inom ko, bumaba na siya. Dati kasi ang inom ko, once a day lang. Ginawa kong 3 times a day. Morning, tanghali, and evening bago matulog. Ngayon, tingnan niyo ang aking blood sugar. Ayan, no? 125, 115, fasting ko, 85. Kakukuha ko kanina, 103, kakakain ko. Which is normal sa age ko.
Wow. Amazing talaga. Ilang sachet po kayo per day?
3 sachet a day.
3 sachet.
Isang morning, isang tanghali,
Lunch, okay.
and evening, bago matulog.
Oh.